Getting leads from social media can be fun when you know how to properly set up the process for it to automate to you. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to get leads from social media, how to automate that and create more sales. So if you're ready to get more sales from your leads, well, stick around because I'm going to share with you exactly how this was a game changer in my own business. So 27 of She's in Charge of Business. My name is Becky LaFave. Consider subscribing to this channel by hitting like and subscribe. And I put out a video every single week to really show you how to grow your brand, your influence, and your business utilizing. So I'm going to show you how to automate your leads from all over social media, whatever social media platforms you're using. And I'm going to give you two of my best strategies to do just me, to grow my email list, my group, and my income. And yes, I wish I would have known this a lot sooner when I first started my business. Obviously, is an email list. We are going to optimize every single bio that we have out there on social media. So whatever social media platforms that you have, you want to optimize that bio area. And so when you are doing a reel, a live, a post, or in your stories, you can put a direct, you can let them know to go to the direct link inside of your bio. You have some kind of resource in your bio that you can attract that person into your world, because let's talk about it. It's fun to do a reel, be in your stories, but if they're just going away and you're not collecting them, well, then you're spending more time, than making money. So if you go to my Instagram, She's in Charge of Business, or if you're here on YouTube, you can grab the link below, but you can go over there and see exactly what my resource looks like and what I have going on. I did a reel that got over about 1,000 views on it. And on that reel, I was saying you could go to my bio and grab my free resource for 50 plus social media ideas for your own business. So that rapidly grew because of those viewers. I directed them to a location. They grabbed my free resource, which got on my email list, and guess what? Became into my automation because they got to put in their email, their name to get that freebie. Now they're being in my automation of what's going to go out. So, we're talking about whenever I have an offer or I'm doing a challenge, maybe a masterclass or anything cool that they would want to be a part of, I am now warming them up. They're being nurtured, and before you know it, they're grabbing one of my. If you're doing reels or posts or whatever, and you're telling them to click in your bio to check out your free resources, this is how it happens. Then they jump in your email list, then you're nurturing them, and before you know it, they're on one of your, your challenges, your masterclasses, they're getting into your offers, and next thing you know, they're in one of your programs, and you're like, wow, how did that happen, right? It's because you've done all the work to get them in there. Powerful stuff. Now, all these social media sites are helping you leverage. These are tools, right? So all these tools are right at your fingertips to use social media. So you want to be able to grab them off of social media and get them more into your world. All social media platforms have a bio, okay? So I want every single one of them should have your link of some sort. Now, one of the places that I think that I really, really like, that I think is underserved, is in your Facebook banner. Above your Facebook, you have this banner. Now, on mine right now, I have joined my challenge if you're looking to attract leads, right? So I have a click button, so you click on that picture, and what pops up is the editing part where I can edit and add, like, hey, if you're looking to get more leads, attract more leads on your social media, join this challenge, and I put the link in there. So boom, they're getting in, I'm collecting their email, they're getting on the automation, right? So you want to collect that and get them in on something. Now, if I don't have a challenge or anything going on, I have my basic banner up there that goes to my freebie. So I always make sure there's something that I can utilize every single space that I can for them to get their eyeballs in my automation so I can nurture them in a different way. Let's talk about strategy number 2. Do you have a Facebook group? Are you monetizing that Facebook up to par? So you could have your free resources in there. Now, when they are coming into your group, right, you want to make sure that you have those 3 qualifying questions, okay? You want to make sure that you have a welcome video. So in your welcome video, you know how Facebook will automate who's the new people, right, for you, and then you can put in your own welcome message. And in that message, you could be like, hey, welcome to the group. I'm super excited that you're here in our community, blah, 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 right? And then you could say, here's my free gift to you. So your gift is your freebie. So now they can go in, put their email, name and email in, and boom, they're in that automation. So like I said, you want to have those 3 qualifying questions in the group, and one of them being, hey, I put out great content. Sometimes I only put things in my email list that you don't see anywhere else. So if you want to be on that list, make sure to drop your email right here. That's another way of doing it. Now, if you don't yet have a freebie, which I recommend you do ASAP, right? ASAP. But if you, in the guide section, you can also set up a 3-part series, right? Get them nurtured from you. This is a new person you want, it's a cold person. You want to turn them warm to you, right? So you want to give them information that they're going to want to receive. So you can say in that welcome video, go to guides, section 1, 2, whatever, and in that you're going to receive my free gift, which is my masterclass, my whatever it is that you want to give them. And you could say, hey, leave a comment, make sure that you were liking it, anything like that, right? So just make sure that you're optimizing that well. Reels in your posts, obviously you want to constantly be talking about join my community, where I do only special things inside of there, where you can grab this free resource, blah, 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 right? Inside of that. So then it gives them a reason to go over to She's in Charge of Business Community and grab that free resource that's inside there in the files, right? Could be files in your welcome video or in your guide as well. You can optimize it in many different areas. So you want to make sure that you're constantly pushing people in there, because that is where you're going to really nurture and warm people as well. 2 strategies that has helped me really build my email list, working on my group as well, and my income. So take a picture of this, and tag me on She's in Charge of Business so I can give you a shout out, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell so you never miss when I go live, and I'll see you next time.